guys, Charlie here, and today I'm here with my mom.
Hello.
If you watched my previous video, which was the vlog, obviously, you know who she is already. She was in the vlog. Well, didn't really properly introduce her, but here she is. So today we're going to be on the website called Will You Press That Button? Or the button, .com. So we're going to go through these and we're going to have a go at all of the questions, so both of us are going to answer it. So, want to just get started?
Yeah.
Okay, so the first one is, you don't get any coffee to drink, or sorry, you get any coffee drink of your choice, they did your Y-O-U-R apostrophe, or Y-O-U apostrophe R-E, you are your choice every morning, but you're always tired and nothing helps. Would you press the button or no?
Yeah.
Okay. That happens with me without coffee, so.
Exactly.
Okay. Do you think it's good or bad?
With the lemon?
Yeah.
What do you mean good and what way?
Do you think it's, you pressed it, so do you think it's a good thing? Like, would you want that to happen, actually happen to you?
Good.
Okay. So, this always happens to me anyway, so I don't think, like, this one will be for you. So, you know all the world's languages, but your voice cracks all the time.
Yeah, I would do that.
Is it good or bad?
It's a good thing. I don't know.
Oh, my voice cracks all the time, so I don't think that really makes a difference. Okay. So, you are able to see what heaven looks like by looking through a magic window, but every second you spend looking increases your chances of going to hell. Would you click that?
No.
No.
I can read.
That one's bad.
No.
Okay, here. You can see them.
You can teleport to any location on Earth, but you cannot decide where, and it only happens when you sneeze.
Oh my god. I sneeze all the time now. What's the problem? I will not. So quick. I will not. Just saying, if there's anyone that's inappropriate or swearing, you can skip it, because there are ones like
Okay,
that.
good or bad?
I'd say that's bad because I sneeze all the time, like I said.
Yeah.
Bad thing.
Okay, you will become internet famous, but you will have the most annoying fan base ever.
Yeah. I'll flip it. Actually,
Too late.
I think that's kind of bad, actually. Because I would want to be famous, obviously, on the internet. Who wouldn't? Like, it would be nice to have fans to connect with and stuff, but if they're annoying, well,
Okay.
yeah.
Those are not bad.
Yeah, as long as they're not like really okay.
Okay, you gain any one superpower of your choice aside from immortality, but you lose your ability to swim.
I'm not really good at swimming, so sure, I'll choose.
I would choose that. I can't swim anyway.
Okay. That feels good. Pretty much, right? Okay, you'll become in. Okay. I'm gonna skip that one. Okay. Wait, what? Oh, wait. Okay, that's it? Oh, okay. Your body never feels any pain, but your heart constantly does.
I will not.
Me neither, I wouldn't.
That's beautiful. That helps you not get injured.
Yeah. How would you know that?
Because I know everything. Because I'm a nurse.
Yeah, good job.
So
Okay.
if you burn yourself, you do feel pain, you keep burning, get very injured. Pain stops you injured.
My friend, my friend, yeah, she has a friend that,
Yeah.
well, her ex-boyfriend, technically now.
Hopefully she's not watching.
What? Okay, I'm sorry for talking about you, you know who you are. So she told me that her ex-boyfriend used to, like, he had, like, he couldn't feel pain. Like, yeah. He couldn't feel pain. Like, he had a cancer or something that he couldn't feel anything, but yeah, I'm pretty sure he had cancer. I don't know. Anyway.
Well, that's a sad.
I know. Okay, so you can have a pet dragon, or a dragon as a pet, or But he is stupid and will burn down your house.
I will not.
I will not either.
I don't want to put that.
That's bad. I think I just clicked play Pokemon ad. I don't want to play Pokemon. Okay. Here.
You get to live on a distant planet just like Earth without any pollution, untainted by man, but you'll live alone forever.
How did you put it?
alone?
Well, like, it would be peaceful then. Like, you could
Within
find
all your internet people.
Oh my god. Okay, fine, I won't click the button.
Don't do it!
Okay, that
It's
would be
bad.
It would be good for a certain amount of time, but
Okay,
I just read that one.
you can
No, I
go
don't
to the
like that.
toilet without a sound, but you can hear everyone at the toilet twice as loud as normal. I could do it.
Oh, what was it?
Okay. I'm not making a sound, everybody else is. It's a bad one. I already hear love.
By the way, that's really bothering me. The poster that's sticking up on the...
No one can see that.
Oh, sorry.
You gain unlimited teleportation powers, but there's a change. There's a change.
It's
Chance,
a
isn't it?
chance. Yeah.
Wow, this is a good thing.
I know. It's people who wrote.
Oh, okay. People. There is a chance
Okay.
something will be missing when you land, ranging from your phone to one of your limbs.
Oh. Oh.
Don't do it. I will not. I
That's
might
bad.
lose my texting to you. Can you hold another button?
Yeah.
It cannot be found.
Yeah. This is a clean channel. And the clean family. Okay, you will obtain enough money to live comfortably for... Oh. Okay. Oh, I haven't given me a little bit. Okay, you will obtain enough money to live comfortably, I can't English though, for the rest of your life, but you will die if the next person presses the button.
Bing!
Oh, you're funny, I will not. Sounds bad. Oh. So, you get an unlimited supply of money, but you destroy the economy and society becomes ruined. I don't care. I'm kidding.
Then what's the point of having a lot of money if everything else is ruined?
Yeah, I wouldn't click it just because, like, I think money is stupid, honestly. Like, I wish we could just do the trading and bartering like people used to do. Except that wasn't a very good system, except it's better than money because with money comes power and narcissism.
With power becomes great responsibility.
What?
Okay, you are made a genius, but everyone else becomes stupid.
Yeah, don't worry about it. No. I would not want to be a genius in a world of smart people.
Or genius
I mean,
stupid people.
I meant stupid people, my god.
Yeah, what's the point of these?
No, that's bad. All of these ones are bad.
You don't pay taxes, but you're paid in gum.
No, I wouldn't.
What do you do with gum?
That's true. You could sell it for money.
I don't know gum.
Yeah, see, sell the gun. A lot of people think sell the gun.
Be financially set for life, but you die in 15 years.
Okay, set for life.
But your life's only for
Yeah,
the next 15 years.
I wouldn't click it.
You will get free universal health care, but the USA becomes a protectorate of people.
I didn't
We
even
already
get
get
the word.
free universal health
Yeah,
care, so we don't have to do that. Sorry, American.
I feel bad for you guys. Well, just get that one too.
Bad.
Whoa!
Too much reading. Go on to the next one.
Oh, hey, that's like the Bible.
Yeah, something about eating human flesh.
Wait, what?
Okay.
I like this
You
one.
acquire any fictional weapon of your choosing, but you can't use it in the company of others.
Click it. That's a good one. Click it. What do you think is going to come about? Okay. This is Okay, one person you know of your choice will fall in love with you and do everything you ask, but everyone else in the world will find you repulsive.
No.
I would, except for the whatever
one
you ask.
person. One person likes it and everyone else hates me? Or no.
Repulsive, I think. Repulsive, I think they mean like like more like attraction repulsive. Like they think you're ugly, kind of thing. I think that's what
I
they
thought
mean.
repulsive would mean if they don't like it. They're like, eee.
That too.
Repulsive.
Okay,
I'm
so
cold.
so this one is you can fly, but you can only fly 1 meter from the ground.
Okay, I'm afraid of heights.
Yeah, me too. That one's good. Better than not being able to fly at all. Okay, last one, because this is already 10 minutes long. Okay. So you want to read this one?
Sure. You
That's a
gain
lot of
absolute control over the universe and you can change anything with a single thought.
Oh, that scared me.
But you realize that the universe is merely a simulation. Nothing around you is real, but you are unable to leave.
Wait, I didn't
Isn't that a
even.
movie?
Wait, what?
Take the red pill.
Oh, there's actually a website like that, which is good next time.
Which one would you
It's not with your other.
do? Oh, fine. Would you press that?
No. I wouldn't want to control stuff. Like, I already control a YouTube channel.
Who cares if you can control stuff? It's not real.
Yeah, I know.
No.
I will not exclamation mark.
Will not.
It would be good. It would. Wait, what? Okay. Woo! I just want to say this one. This one's actually the last one. You get a small loan of $1 million, but 10 random strangers die as a result.
Don't do it.
Okay. Okay. So that was 12 minutes and pointless, but oh well, it was fun for us. Did you have fun?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. Yeah, we're gonna fist bump. Okay, thanks for watching, and I'll have a video up on Friday, a vlog. I don't know if she'll be in it. She probably won't be. But I hope you enjoyed that, and stay tuned for the next video. Okay, you wanna say bye? Bye!